just had a little warm up, feeling a little bit better, but as soon as you come out here, that cold slices right through you. Take a look at the wind driving the snow. It's bouncing the power lines around here at Ferry Beach in Saco, and this was the big power outage concern, especially in an area where we're seeing some sea spray, and we're also getting that added effect to the power lines. The concern here is for some power outage problems because of the wind. Now, the snow is still going horizontal. Notice that the flakes continually getting a little bit bigger as the storm system intensifies. Get a little bit more moisture, the flakes are going to stick together. And I just took a little walk down the road here, and the drifts went anywhere from my ankles to my knees. So it is a lot of snow that is moving around here. It's so hard to tell how much is on the ground because of the drifting. You can see on the rocks that there's a lot of sea spray. The snow has started to stick to it. There are going to be a lot of problems here at the coastline. We've been seeing some very impressive snow bands come into the area, getting a little stuck right now into interior portions of the state where we will see those hefty snowfall amounts, but it's really nothing compared to what we'll see in just a couple of hours. Keep in mind, the remainder of the storm is still going to pick up in intensity before we start to see some relief. So it is still 12 degrees. That hasn't changed. Wind chill factor is still around 15 to 10 below. Megan, Aaron.
And she's switching her